Now we have the topic work done by a constant force. Now work is defined. See, this is very important because now we have understood there are cases where we thought that work is being done but actually the work is not done. So we need to be very clear with the definition of work. So we are starting with the definition. Work is defined to be equal to the product of force and displacement. And how do we take the displacement? Displacement has to be in the direction of force. Okay, displacement has to be in the direction of force. Suppose force is in this direction and displacement is in this direction. Is there any displacement in the direction of force? No. This is a case, very special case, when the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree, or when force and displacement are perpendicular, we say no work is done because there is no displacement in the direction of force. Suppose this is force, right, and displacement is in this direction, but you know there is, if you break this force into some component, there is some amount of force which is acting in the direction of displacement. Okay, so our definition, it is equal to the product of force and displacement. So you can write this, right? And in terms of formula, work is force into displacement. How do we decide it? Suppose there is a block which is here. You applied a force F and this is the displacement S because block has come over here. So obviously this is the displacement S and it is in the direction of force only. So the work done is force into displacement. Next point is work has only magnitude and no direction. Very important. See, force is a vector. Force will have direction and will have magnitude. Displacement is a vector. It will have direction, it will have magnitude. But work, which is a product of force and displacement, is a scalar. Okay. Now SI unit of work is joule. Very important. It is denoted by capital J. Okay. Next, 1 joule of work is said to be done when a force of 1 Newton displaces a body through a distance of 1 meter in its own direction. Okay. So the 1 joule of work is said to be done when a force of 1 Newton displaces a body through a distance of 1 meter in its own direction. This is actually coming from the formula that we have. Work done is force into displacement. If you apply 1 Newton force and which brings 1 meter of displacement, the work done is 1 joule. Okay. Also, the work done is 0 when the force on the object is 0 or when the displacement of the object is 0. If force is 0 or displacement is 0, we know the work done will be 0. This justifies the condition to be satisfied for the work to be done. We have seen this case, right? Remember, you are pushing a huge rock. You are applying force on the rock, but displacement is not there. So we have considered that to be a 0 work case. Okay.